Said I didn't know. Like I was saying, Morocco, Egypt, and then that of
Tunisia.
Nigeria. Almost disappointing in their first matches. Nina, Yantimi, who had the Papa Bia and Fimo ambassador. So I said now, no, actually, Nana Babigina Tunisia. So I say,
and Senegal. So
before China, but I'm
for a ratio.
You see that thing? But if you compare this team with that of England, we are sure say still like me regime home beat me at the
problem I war with North Africans, no. Some World Cup, they try to play like Abrofono. And I'm for
someone got some noise or more a year back.
And I'm for disappointed in Nigeria because more fear in Hanum. Quack a crown on the you went and lose. Okupimo Senegal, I'm bought a Ghana for them.
Yeah.
I'm bought a real Africans. I know the Bobet 28 years so now code him. So I don't need a few Tunisia be boss stylish ball. I saw you Bruni, David. I don't know about England for no better so many more.
Yeah.
That is the only problem.
So that's why you Bruni. There are no better so you Bruni more than you.
One to me, yeah, Jay-Z change Jay-Z.
Yeah, that be
now to Ghana and hip hop. Me hip hop. One to me, hip hop and change Jay-Z. So I say more can serious. Omo bano. She is serious.
Yeah, can't so be
bano.
There's a info on now.
Yeah. Good. And Corona to hotel. Oh, now maybe it's not me, but because of bear man and so on. Na bear man, I can't. Ne bear man waba, ne bano waba. Ne bano. Eh, tree now.
Can for.
Repeat encore.
All right, so very soon you'll be chatting now England versus Tunisia, bro, here on 106.3 FM. Now me Adom or chance no match be but oh there BB near you be said there ben why. Now Wednesday and the Benya full time yene Kwame Eugene war you may be already you know so watch out for that. There's a new song from the guy, and I tell you, it's a jam. I mean, it's a beautiful joint. So, you know, just think about do a boom say Ben. Why? It's all here on 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. But for now, our job is done. Many thanks to you and you.